Hello, my name is Samuel Acosta,
Hi, my name is Natalia Flores.
and welcome back to another episode of Gov 101. Today we have
Juan Pablo Guzman, Clerk of the Superior Court and Jury Commissioner for Santa Cruz County.
Juan Pablo, thank you for joining us today. Our podcast is about educating the public on what each director of their department does, and what better way to do that than to have a little game show.
Okay, well, let's play the game.
So first, can you give us a brief description about your role and what you do?
The Clerk of the Superior Court is the official record keeper and fiduciary agent of the Superior Court. And we also function as the jury commissioner for the county, in this case for Santa Cruz County.
Okay, thank you. Okay. So I get the first question. What's your background like, and how did you reach this type of employment?
Academically, I'm a extremely proud graduate of the University of Arizona. I graduated with a bachelor's in political science and in Spanish. I have several years of experience in government, which I have had the honor of serving the community of the city of Nogales and Santa Cruz County for over 20 years. It's an honor, and I am grateful for the trust the community has bestowed upon me to continue to serve them. I was the Public Information Officer and Constituent Outreach Director for the City of Nogales for approximately 7 years, and thereafter I was appointed and subsequently elected to the position of Clerk of the Superior Court since 2008.
Thank you. What are some responsibilities that your department carries?
Some of the responsibilities that the Clerk of the Superior Court has is process all case types that come to the Superior Court: criminal, civil, family law, protective orders, juvenile dependencies, adoption cases, all the cases that are under the jurisdiction of the Superior Court, which is a general jurisdiction court in the state of Arizona. We also function as the probate registrar and also the jury commissioner, as I said, for the county. We process marriage licenses. We also have an agreement with the Department of State where we process passport applications for citizens. And that's some of the functions that we do among many responsibilities that we have to deal on a daily basis or provide on a daily basis pursuant to the Constitution and the statutes of the state of Arizona and the laws of the United States government.
What is the process like for the passport applications?
Passport applications, the citizen has to set up an appointment by calling our office or emailing our office. The phone number is 520-375-7700, and the email address is santacruzclerk@courts.az.gov. That's the first step, setting up an appointment, completing an application, which is a DS-11, a first-time application or an application for children, and obviously complying with all the requirements set forth in order to apply for a passport for an adult or for a minor. And those requirements you can find them through the travel.state.gov website, or also when you contact our office, either by email or phone. We can provide those requirements to the citizens so that they are prepared at the time of their appointment. The cost for a passport application for a child is the execution fee that comes to our office directly is $35, and that's for adults also. That's the execution fee that we charge, $35. And in order for a child to apply for a passport book and card, it's going to be a total of $115 that goes directly to the Department of State. Book and card for an adult is a book and card is a total of $160 on top of those $35 that I mentioned before.
Thank you.
And to further your background, where were you born and raised?
I was born in the Ambos Nogales region. I was raised in this beautiful community of the Ambos Nogales region. I went to school, to the Arizona School the Arizona School for the Deaf and Blind in Tucson, Arizona. I also attended Sacred Heart School here in Nogales, Arizona. And as I mentioned before, I'm a proud graduate of the University of Arizona. I'm a very proud Wildcat.
What What other programs do you have accessible in the Superior Court?
Well, the Superior Court has a very good program that was made possible, fortunately, through the authorization and funding by the Board of Supervisors. And this program is the self-represented litigant program that assists individuals that come to the court with different case types, different issues. This program, we have two staff members that assist members of the public in completing the forms and getting them prepared to file the cases with the Superior Court. At this time, they are assisting citizens in processing family law cases, divorce cases, child custody, child support cases, and also guardianship cases. Those are where someone petitions the court to be the guardian of a minor or an incapacitated adult. So that's their focus of their work at this time. It's a program that, again, the Board of Supervisors have funded through the Superior Court, and it's at no cost to the public. This is a very good program that helps the citizens in understanding how the process works at the Superior Court.
Do you face any challenges having to deal with these programs?
Well, yes. A lot of our challenges are obviously funding. We have to come up with a budget every year. The board has to approve our budget, and obviously we would like to be able to provide better salaries for our staff so that we can get more applicants, so that we can get more staff members and provide the services in a much faster manner. Our staff does a very good job. Our staff is wonderful, and they do a very good job in keeping the office moving forward and making sure that they comply and attend to every customer that comes to our window. They do a wonderful job with the resources that we have available at this time.
So, accessing the court seems very intimidating for some people. How would you make the environment less intimidating?
Well, we are a court that is singled out in many parts of the state for being a court of personal touch, attending to the customer on a one-on-one. We answer calls. We don't have an automatic system that answers the call in our office. We personally answer the call. A staff member always answers the phone. Again, we don't have an automated system, press 1, press 2 here. No, we answer the phone calls. We welcome the customers as they come to our windows. We answer the questions. We explain the situation as much as we can without providing any legal advice, because we are prohibited to provide legal advice. Mm-hmm. We assist them in getting an appointment with our self-represented litigant program. So by simply making the customer feel that they are at home, making the customer understand that we are there because of them and we are there for them. Well, that's the key point. Everyone that comes to that window needs to understand that we are there to assist them. The citizens of this wonderful county pay our salaries, they fund our office, and we are there to serve them. And they come to the court a lot of times with problems, with issues that need to be addressed by the court. We are there to assist them, to personally welcome them, and to make them feel as comfortable as they can in a difficult time of their lives.
And with that being said, do you have any messages you would like the public to know about?
Well, first of all, I want to thank the public. I want to thank the citizens of this great county for trusting me in being the clerk of the Superior Court for Santa Cruz County. I want to thank them. The trust that they have bestowed upon me is extremely important. Every time that I ask for their vote and they trust me with their vote, means a lot to me. Trust in my dictionary is one of my favorite words, and I really express my appreciation to every citizen of this county for trusting me. I want to also take this opportunity to thank the staff that work for the Santa Cruz County Superior Court. for the clerk of the Santa Cruz County Superior Court. They do a wonderful job in moving that office forward. They do a wonderful job in attending to our customers, to make them feel comfortable. And they do just a very good job, and I'm very proud of them. And I just want to thank them through this podcast as well. But very important, I really want to say that to the citizens of this great county, we are there for you. If you need anything, if you have questions, I am available anytime. Okay, the phone number that I just provided and the email that I provided previously as well are places where you can reach me. Anytime that you need any assistance, any question that you are not positive that you know the answer and you want someone to assist you, someone from government to assist you with, please feel free to give me a call. I'll be there, I'll answer the call. If I'm in a meeting and I'm not available at that time, I'll return the call as soon as possible. So, thank you.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
No, that's fine.
So I lose my turn because I rang the bell interrupting
Oh,
you.
you lost?
I lost my round, yeah.
Okay.
I lost my turn.
Very good. So we win?
No.
Yes, we won.
Okay, good.
No.
I'll let you have it.
Oh, okay.
That's being a gentleman.
Thanks, Simon. To conclude our serious questions, I do have one question to ask.
Okay.
So you
It's not,
pretty
it's not serious?
well, it's kind of.
Okay.
It's kind of serious, I guess.
Okay.
So you previously mentioned that you worked for the city of Nogales, correct?
Yes.
How would you compare both city versus county?
Well, both are government agencies that provide services to its constituents. Obviously, we share about 20,000 constituents because they are Santa Cruz County is part of Nogales. Let me put it to you this way. I'm sorry. Nogales is the county seat for Santa Cruz County, and obviously we share constituents. The citizens for Santa Cruz County that are in city limits are also the citizens for the city of Nogales. Both agencies provide services. I learned a lot at the city. It was a wonderful experience. I had wonderful opportunities when I was there, especially to be in constant communication with the public through the media. I made very good and life-lasting relationships with wonderful members of the media, with wonderful members of government, and I'm, the same here, the same in the county. It's different. I was working for the city under the executive and legislative branch, and now I'm a member of the judicial branch. And obviously, even though we do things, we do different things, the main goal to serve the public is there. The main purpose to serve the public is shared by both agencies. So again, both agencies do a wonderful job in serving the public, and that's been the main goal throughout my career. And I'm very happy that I have been given the opportunity at the city and now at the county to do that, to serve the public, to assist, to be part of this wonderful community.
Okay, very nice. This one's very unserious.
Unserious?
Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Do you drink matcha or chai? It's a common question.
Do I drink?
Matcha or chai?
No.
Do you know which ones they are?
Well, help me.
Okay, matcha's the green drink that tastes really earthy, and chai is like a whitewash horchata.
Well, I don't drink matcha or chai, but I would prefer chai.
Chai?
Yes.
Just because of the description I gave?
Well, because yes, but well, I think my kids drink chai, but I don't drink any of those. No, I drink. Can I say what I drink?
Yes.
I drink coffee. I drink water. I drink diet soda, which is not the best thing to do, but I do drink that. And the other ones, I plead the fifth. No, but I would prefer chai if that's your question. What do you drink?
A caramel frappuccino. I exclude all those two.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Why?
Because it's sweeter. I love sweet stuff.
What do you drink?
I drink a matcha.
A what?
A matcha.
A matcha?
Mm-hmm.
We might just order one right now.
Okay, well, if Mr. Davis is gonna pay for it, then I'll drink
Yeah,
whatever you
he's
guys
paying
say.
for it. Yeah, he's
Okay,
paying
then
for it.
I'll drink
Thumbs
a
up.
chai.
Yeah.
Just because he's paying for it, yeah.
Get him one so you can try it.
Yeah? Okay.
Yeah, I'll pay for it.
We're making a Starbucks order, guys. Scan this QR code. I'm just kidding. Sam, do you have any questions?
No,
Okay.
I don't have any further questions.
JP, I'm gonna call you JP.
That's fine.
If you have any questions for us, here's the bill if you want to read it.
Questions for you?
Yeah, for me or Sam?
For your Sam?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, well. So, how does it feel to be working? You know, you guys are from different high schools,
Yeah.
right? And sometimes those two high schools they have some type of rivalry, but at the same time they have a lot of brothers, sisters in both of those high schools. By the way, I love both of those high schools. They're wonderful. Even though my children go to one of them, but the other one, I have a lot of friends that go there, and very proud of that high school as well. How does it feel to work with someone that went to Rio Rico, or you went to Nogales? Tell me about your experience. Do you talk about that throughout work? Do you make, do you give a hard time to each other because of the rivalry, or not?
Well, the first day when we first started to get to know each other, we started mentioning like, oh, you're in Nogales, well, we have this at Rio Rico, like things like that. But as the days went on, I realized that it's just another person. Their school doesn't define them, and they have good work ethic. As long as they have good work ethic and a good character, I mean, they're easy to work with. And even if they don't, you can still adapt to their personality and still make it work.
I think, I don't think it matters anymore now that we graduated,
Oh.
No, I mean, I don't think there was no differences. We were just seeing the comparison between Nogales and Rio Rico High School. That's what we did. We talked about the people we knew from here and there, but that's about it, honestly. I don't think there's no troublesome. I think we just put it aside.
We didn't treat each other bad because we went to our rival schools. It's whatever.
So which one's better?
Here we go.
Look at us.
We have better CTEs, better opportunities.
Maybe show them how much our school has now. How much more money we got for Nogales Unified School District.
That's where I wanted that's where I wanted to get. I'm very proud of this program that you guys are representing, or you guys are ambassadors to this program that with the leadership program that was promoted through the superintendent, the office of the superintendent. And where I wanted to get to is that it is so nice to see our young leaders coming from different backgrounds, rising through the ranks, learning about government. And it's very nice to see them work together, even when they come from two different schools that sometimes are rivals, but most of the time they're just, we're brothers and sisters from the same community, going through two different schools. But I'm just very proud that you guys have learned to work together with other people. This program is wonderful, and also very proud of the result that this program is leading us to. And that result is that we have young people like you interested in what government is about and learning what government is about, because you are who we need to lead these offices in the future. And I really want to encourage you that you just graduated from high school, you as an Apache, you as a Hawk, but that you come back to your community after college and serve and work in county government and open doors and knock on doors and work in county government and learn the process so that you can be the next clerk of the Superior Court or the next supervisor. So I encourage you to do that. It's extremely rewarding to have your community trust you with their vote and to be able to serve your community. It is extremely rewarding to go through this process. It's been one of the most beautiful parts of my life, to serve my community, where my children are growing up, where I live. So just wanted to mention that, and got to this point by pointing out to the public that even though they're from different schools, they're working together, and that's how the community needs to be. You guys are setting up the example of having a united community, a united Santa Cruz County, and that's what is going to make of this county the best one in the state of Arizona and in our country. So just wanted to point that out.
Thank you.
Thank you. Well, we better be the best. We have to be the best.
We are.
We are.
We are.
Thank you so much for taking time out of your day and being with us, not only educating us, but also educating the viewers watching this podcast. I know I definitely learned a lot, and I'm pretty sure they will learn a lot as well. Sam, any comments?
No, thank you. Yeah, really appreciate your time. It was really informative, and I'll definitely say that I learned something about your position and like what you do specifically. I find it really interesting, and I find it truly amazing what you do. So thank you.
And we'll go back and visit your office soon.
Anytime.
Because I know you like to see us walk into your office.
Yes, please. Anytime. Thank you for giving me the opportunity. This is a great project, and I commend you, Shannon, and the supervisors for coming up with this idea. This is important.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you for watching another episode of Gov 101. Stay tuned for the next one.